Hello everyone. So it's a beautiful start to the morning. It's about 7:30 in the morning because the kids started back at school yesterday, so it's back to doing the school runs now. But we had an amazing celebration day at the start of school. It is absolutely fantastic what they do here in Russia for the first day start of school. So I'll show you a bit of footage of that because it was just incredible. It was just so patriotic, just makes you feel so proud that your children are going back to school. Everybody was happy, there was music and food, and it was just a really nice celebration day for the start of school. So yeah, it's just something I'm not used to that much really. It's not kind of a celebration really as such from in the UK when we start back at school like that. So yeah, it was just really nice to see. It was such a lovely day. But a few other things have gone on. I don't know if you can see behind me, we've started to put the fence sheets on, which is amazing as well. So it was a really good day yesterday. We've just waited so long for the fence to go up. You know, we started doing it last October, so it's been quite a while to do this. Obviously the floods stopped the work. We're going to complete that in March this year, but we've obviously had the whole repair of the house to do. But yeah, really good day, lots gone on. I'll do my usual, I'll flip the camera around and show you the progress of the fence. We've got the back and the side done, so I'll just show you what we've done and explain kind of the height and things like that. But it's really lovely knowing your boundary of your kind of garden and home, and yeah, it just feels really nice and secure, and it's just all coming together. End of summer, like I said, hard work's paid off, and yeah, thanks to everyone for all their comments as usual. It really is nice. So yeah, just remember to like, subscribe, share, try following us on Telegram and RuTube as well. All the links are in the description. But yeah, really happy day in Orenburg, Russia yesterday. Enjoy. I'll just start off in the back of the garden. So this whole back now has been done right into the corner, kind of the widest side of the garden. Like I said, I've leveled all the soil, ready to put grass seed down in pretty much this area here and down to the front, because you get the first bit of sun at the front there, and then it goes around that way, and then this is where the sun sets. So even with the fence, it's about 2.25 meters high. So the sheet is 2 meters, and then because of the concrete and where it's been put on, it's about just over 2 meters high. But we wanted a nice high fence just so we can feel secure and not get overlooked as much by neighbors and things like that. It's just nice to be in here and kind of private and stuff. But yeah, it gets the last bit of sun. The fence does block it a little bit, about a third of the way up, but all the way down there we get sun in the evening as well, and all the way afternoon and late evening we get sun all here as well, and then it sets right over there. So yeah, just really happy with that, really happy with the work the welder has done. He's bolted every single one of these bolts onto the bars that you saw go up. So just really happy, and even where he's joined it in the corner there as well, and it goes right round. So it's this colour sheet to match the windows and the roof of the house. The other side is like a light grey because the neighbour's gone for a light grey that side, and the same this side. And then on the front we're going to have a double-sided leaf, or a sheet as we call it. It's going to go on the other side, and then we'll see the fence poles this side, but it's just double-sided, so it'll be the same colour both sides, and that's the same down this side as well. It's going to be a double-sided leaf because the neighbour this side wants the same colour as the fence, but we've decided we'll let them bolt it on their side. Yes, we'll see the post, but this is our narrowest side, so it'll give us a little bit more space, and it's always good to be able to utilise the posts and things like that, especially on the narrowest side that's not really going to be used for anything else apart from growing like leafy vegetables, because yeah, there will be a bit of shade here, but still a lot of vegetables grow in shaded areas. But it does get it first thing in the morning, then as it comes round it gets more sun down this way as well, so it does get quite a bit of sun. You can see how bright it is now. That's where it rises, comes right round, so it will match the same colour, double-sided leaf. And then the front, sorry about the sun here as I walk down, but it's very, very bright. But I'll just show you what else has been done. We did have this concreted this area, just to kind of match the drive, because hopefully if we do have enough money left in the budget, we'll get a shed done there so we can store things in there and it doesn't clutter the garage up so much. So I might be able to put a shed there. We'll make it out of the same sheets. The welder can do that in his workshop and then just kind of put it together here. And then yeah, double gates here, and then obviously a door here with all the electrics and everything like that, which I've explained in one of my other videos. So it'll be electric gates that open, electric door that'll open as well, connected to Wi-Fi and things like that, and then a few lights on the posts and a sensor to put the lights on when it falls to dusk or early evening. And then sheeting will go down there with an access panel right at the end, so we can take it off when they need to empty the cess tank. And then at the front we will put some like covers right at the front on the concrete, just so it kind of finishes it off nice. But yeah, that's pretty much what we're happy with. And this is going to be a nice little flower area here where it's curved, and then probably parallel with the end of the house, the brick, that's where you get the last sun in the evening, so we'll make that a nice grass area there as well. And this is going to be nice flowers and maybe a few paving stones just to create a path through. And then we will grass the majority of down here as well, but put some bushes and trees along the edges. But this would be a nice recreational area for the kids to kick a football now with a nice high fence. Hopefully they won't kick it over, but yeah, just to practice, and a few other things as well. Like I said, early morning sun and late evening sun on this bit as well. So yeah, just generally really happy with everything that's coming together, and just the work of the welder have been amazing. So we haven't done this bit yet. He's coming back to weld the gates and the door, and then they're going to fix in all the electronics and things like that. But we've had to wait for the double-sided sheeting. There's a bit of a delay on that because it has to be obviously kind of coloured both sides. So I think it's about another week we've got to wait for that, and that'll finish it off and really set our boundary then. So yeah, happy with that. And then the final thing will be just to put finish the posts off there. They need to be cut slightly, and then we'll have a roof slightly sloping down just to cover the patio area, and then tile that, and then that'll pretty much be it for outside of what we wanted to do. So really happy. I'll show you the progress of that. I'll show you the finished fence in another video. But yeah, I just thought I would show you that because I know I've been going on about the fence, and we're just really happy. So yeah, thank you.